welcome to our vlog. And today our ganap is... Where are we, Ate Gia?
Hindi ako ganun. We're at Coffee Bean.
So we're playing, guys. Kasi I've been playing ML ever since. Pero hindi ako talaga nakakaalis sa Grandmaster. So, bubuhatin niya ako. Ay, ano to?
Ay, magpo-pause.
Bubuhatin niya ako.
Hindi pa din yung iPad ko kasi nasa legend na ako. Pamitik na ako, guys. Nakamitik na kasi ako eh. Yung isa kasi dyan, hindi makalis sa GA.
Proud ako doon. Sa mga di makalis ng GM dyan, it's okay. Valid ang feelings niyo.
Anong mo? Anong gamit mo?
Mid.
Mid ka lagi. Tapos, ano ba?
Yeah. Guys, eto mirror lang talaga yung nilalaro ko kasi. Sa kanya lang ako confident na feeling ko kaya.
Ganda ng stats.
Okay, so our first question. So ang first question natin is, what's the weirdest thing you've done in public?
Weirdest thing I've done in public? Weird nga eh. Ba't ko share?
Kasi nga, get to know us.
Nag-stay ako sa cafe ng 1 hour without ordering. Tapos kumalis ako. Alam mo sa Black Canyon? Hindi na napunta doon ngayon eh.
Siguro weirdest...
Nag-charge lang ako.
Based sa pagkakatanda ko lang, guys, weirdest thing I've done in public is that back in Kainta, and tapat-tapat kasi yung coffee shop dun sa labas ng school namin. So there's this coffee shop that we'd always go tambay kasi they don't have restroom. And there's this coffee shop na merong complete. May wifi, may restroom, maayos lahat. Kaso madaming tao. So every time na madaming tao sa coffee shop nito, tapos nandito kami tumatambay kasi may wifi din naman. Tapos wala silang restroom. Lagi kaming matawid sa CR doon. Tapos babalik. So it's always, parang naging hobby siya. Naging, pero I believe naman na restrooms are open for public, So there's nothing wrong with that, guys. Nakakahiya lang siya kasi, hi ma, what's your order? How much does your personality change when you're around different people?
For me, a lot. Siguro, kapag kalog yung kasama ko, medyo maingay din ako. Pero kapag tahimik yung kasama ko, kung tahimik kaming dalawa, wala magsasalita. Gano'n.
Same answer to her. Pero ako kasi, I'm a very jolly person. So, siguro kahit nonchalant ka, I would still interact with you. I would still be crazy around because no one will stop me from my craziness, guys. Yeah, so, every time na may hangouts kami, tapos I am introduced by, a friend of a friend, or someone, blah, 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 ganyan. I would always be the one to first, interact. Initiate with them. Because I know how to communicate with people in a crazy way. So our next question would be, can you describe your first kiss? Gian.
Hindi ko na nga maalala yung first kiss ko.
Ay, yung tanong kailangan natin tandaan, guys. For the sake of the
Hindi.
question.
Ano na lang, first kiss na may utak na.
May utak na ka. May isip na.
7th grade? May isip na talaga. Very, very much. I couldn't say yung elementary kasi...
Wala, bata pa tayo.
Oh.
How was it? You describe.
How was it?
Yeah, describe your
Feels,
first kiss.
mainit. Feels really, really hot. It's not even na... Wait lang. Ipakita ko itsura ko ng grade 7. Isipin nyo, ganito ko ng grade 7. Tapos yung it's not even... Kiss.
Smack lang. Smack,
Hindi.
guys, is like that.
No.
What kiss is it? Sa cheeks? Ano yan?
It's
Ano
a
first kiss?
full-blown
Full-blown.
Frenchie.
Paruin na siya mag-French kiss. Grade 7 pa lang siya. So, itong get to know us, guys, parang nag-get to know ko na din her kasi I didn't know that.
My gosh, ito ako nung grade 7 ako. Anong jeje ko? Diba? Ano ako nung grade 7 ako, guys? Ganyan ako ka-jeje dati. Hindi ko sabi yung school ko, baka mapahiya. Kasi di nila naalagaan yung mga estudyante nila.
Uy!
Tumatakas. Ano?
Hindi pa siya nun, marunong na siya mag-French kiss. Ako, when I was on grade 10, Yeah, kasi nung grade 7 guys, wala. Ano kasi ako, galing ako Christian school. So yung yung from kinder to grade 6 ka naman sa Christian school. So iba talaga yung pananaw mo or pakikisalumuha mo sa mga tao. So medyo good girl pa ako noon. I don't care, ganyan. So parang kilig-kilig lang. Wala din ako naging ka-fling noon. Kasi yung crush yung kaibigan ko. So parang doon na rin the end ng, ay ayoko na. So buong year na yon wala talaga. Pero nung after pandemic na, which was nung grade 10, medyo okay na tayo. Yung first kiss ko is smack lang siya from a crush of mine. Crush din ako. Ayun. So, ayun yung naging first kiss ko.
Ayan.
Next question. What's your Roman Empire? Roman Empire means something you can stop thinking about. What's your Roman Empire? Don't commit. Ay, tolerated pala.
Siguro in terms of career, Roman Empire. I can't stop thinking about neuro, guys, neuro.
Neuro.
I really can't stop thinking about neuro. Pag career, weird, di ba? Neuro.
Siguro pag career ako, my Roman Empire would be being a flight attendant talaga. It has always been a dream for me. And I think that, I could really, ganun. Yeah. Kasi, one of my hobbies are learning different languages talaga. Since grade 7, it was introduced to me. So parang, it became a habit of mine ever since I started watching, Universal series or movies, ganyan, mga cartoons. So, ayun, parang it has been a dream to me since I've been modeling as well. So parang, I could exceed very well sa program na yon. It's just that, may nagsabi sa akin, I can't remember who, but it was older than me, who probably have a stable career na. That person told me na always choose the hard road. And so many reasons, blah blah blah. That's why napunta ako dito sa nursing.
That's why.
Yeah. Next question. Very
Personal?
not common.
Oh,
Pero, what's the worst holiday in your opinion? What's your worst holiday? No, what's the worst holiday in your opinion?
siguro mahirap eh. Wala namang worst talaga for me. Pero let's see what are the holidays.
Yeah, you search it nga. So, let's search yung mga holidays. So, we have...
Top 10.
Yeah, that's
Mahal na araw, Holy Week, New Year, Days of Valor.
I think guys,
Ninoy.
wala. Na-enjoy namin lahat ng holiday kasi lahat ng holiday walang
Wala
pasok. So, ayun.
Kaya lang naman.
Wala
And
kami.
we don't really care about celebrating it. Sorry.
Except for Christmas and
And
New
the
Year. Oh my God, I love Holy Week guys kasi sobrang haba ng vacation. Dati.
Solid.
Iba na nila ngayon.
Ngayon, makapag pa din, no?
Mahaba pa din. Very good. Hindi ko lang alam sa college kung gano'n din. Ano din ba sa college?
At, oo.
Okay, our next question is, if you were a ghost, how would you haunt people? How would you haunt people?
I would haunt them by their siguro, serious. How would I haunt them? Siguro for me, I would haunt them in a way na they'll realize something good. Pero not hunt them into
Negative?
negative. Siguro, parang magkaroon ng fresh perspective. Kasi kapag sinabi mong hunt sa tao, the first thought that will come up with is scared, fear, ganyan. So, why not try something good? You help them, ganyan.
Medyo kakaiba si ate for today. Siguro ako, I would pull pranks. That's how I would pull pranks. You put this here, tapos, bakit andun yun? Diba? So, parang mawiwirdohan ka na siya. Baliw na ba ako? Ganun, but it was just me laughing at you guys. So, our next question is, do you believe in having one best friend?
I do believe. I do. I mean, I believe in best friends. Pero, one best friend per, for that, kunyari, meron kang problema. Tapos, yung best friend mo na ganito, doon mo lang masasabi. Meron din yung gantong problema. Yung best friend mo na ganito, doon mo lang masasabi. Na hindi mo masasabi doon sa isang friend. Ganun. So, not really.
Not really.
Not really. Best friends, circle of friends. Siguro, yeah.
I agree with her on that term. Pero if you would ask me about that, I do believe in that as well. Kasi I have this one person in my life, which is my person, wherein I could tell everything about her. I mean, I could talk to her about a lot of things na meron sa akin, na ganap sa akin, whether regardless if it's crazy, if it's, something, what the fuck girl, something like that, or something good, all in one in my life, I could grant it to her as well as she could do to me. So parang, yeah, I do have that person in my life.
Hanap siya ng questions.
How about this one? What type of person do you picture ending up with? I will repeat the question. What
Ikaw
type of
naman
person
mauna.
do you picture ending up with?
Ikaw naman muna. Ikaw na.
Siguro ako, the way I view it, kasi we do have standards in our lives. So, napipicture ko sa person na may end up ko is someone who is loving, very loving. Parang sinasabi na, hindi. Probably a person who would cherish me a lot, would be open to love what I love. Guys, yung family ko, if you're very good with them, regardless if they're scary or not. If you really know how to be expressive with them in a good way, be kind, be respectful, be a child of God. If you show that to them, they would definitely love you. Pero I would not say na everyone is, believes kay God. I wouldn't say that kasi I have a family of mine who doesn't and would still accept that. But if you just, respect ganun. So I think that person I picture would be respectful, loving, and disgustingly rich.
Yung nasa standards yun talaga yun, guys.
Disgustingly rich, guys. Kasi sabi nila, if you find happiness in money, you'll always be poor. I say otherwise. No, I'm just kidding. Rich in...
No, it's different.
We have rich in love, rich in money, rich in everything. And we have a guest. This is our 2026 starting vlog.
Yeah,
Do you know that I have a YouTube channel?
I've heard, yeah.
Yeah. So this would be our first January 2026 vlog.
And a New Year's resolution.
Yes! Introduce yourself.
I'm Simon Reyes po from Quezon City. Nice to meet you.
Sit down here, Sai.
Dito nga sa tabi niya.
So we have, just a quick recap. Meron tayong get to know questions.
Oo.
So since late ka, ikaw ang second na magsasagot ng question.
Yeah.
No, you have
That's
to.
good.
So yung question na kanina sinagot ko, what type of person do you picture ending up with?
Wow.
Yeah, what type of... That's a good question, Gavin.
Yeah, that's a good question.
Like, who I want to be end up with.
How do you picture it?
Probably want to be someone who is like similar to my ate or to my mom. Well, to be honest, I already met someone.
How about you?
How about you love me? Actually, I don't know. To be honest, I picture myself as someone this then that and that. Pero yung partner ko, really not expecting anything at parang dinedemand ko sa partner ko. Siguro is to na lang, is to love me unconditionally. Siguro gano'n. Pero yung magdademand ako from that, wala na. Be themselves. Kung may demand sila from me, go. Pero kung demand ka from them, not really. Just love. Yun ang masasagot ko, guys.
Okay, that's good. Okay, next question would be...
Pero ayoko ng ayoko ng pala. Ayoko ng pala. Ano ba yun?
Pala?
Ano yan? Ayoko ng pala. Ayoko ng palamunin.
Ayaw natin lahat yun.
Ayaw natin lahat yun.
Ayaw natin lahat.
Siguro you love, pero meron pa rin yung point
You'd
of
hate yourself for hating that person.
Meron pa rin yung point of reciprocity. Yeah. Alam ko tama yung yung term ko. It's reciprocity. Wait lang, search natin. Baka mali ako. Reciprocity.
Reciprocity.
Reciprocity. Yun. Yun. I'll parang spoil you, but love me instead. Ah. Ganon, guys. Anyways, kayo. Yun na.
Ayun, same thing. Yeah. I think we all agree with one another naman, with each other. We all want one thing, and that is to be loved, guys.
Yeah.
Girly.
But money first.
Mama.
Money first.
Money first.
Money first.
Money first.
Career.
And since I'm running out of questions, our last question would be, what is a deal breaker for you in a relationship? Not in a relationship, probably to someone. Someone, for example, you're dating with. You know, date is getting to know each other, guys. So what is the deal breaker for you? You go first. Deal breaker is something that, explain mo.
Deal breaker, yung parang, ano, kunyari bago kayo maging together, ano yung isang factor na hindi mo kayang tanggapin?
Hindi mo kaya lang
na sa
itanggapin,
kanya.
i-adjust,
Oo.
kahit anong hindi mo talaga kaya.
Tapos,
So it's a big deal to
mag-end.
me.
It's a big
It's
deal.
a big deal.
Very
Oh,
big
something.
deal. Yes.
Deal breaker. Pag hindi mo yun gusto, hindi mag-go through yung relationship. Parang gano'n. Parang example, ang deal breaker for you, ayaw siya ng nanay mo. Yun na. Hindi na kayo matutuloy together. Parang gano'n yung deal breaker. Depende sa tao. May ibang gano'n eh. Ayaw ng nanay.
If the person is
Ang daming deal breaker sa'yo.
Yeah. Get to
Siya
know
yung ano,
Simon, guys.
Siya yung selective talaga. Selective in relationships. Bang hirap. Diba isa lang?
yeah,
Ay,
I
hindi
don't
na.
know.
Madam.
What
I
is
think
one
of,
one
like,
thing?
One thing.
It's a bit personal. Oh my god, probably body count.
Oh, okay.
For me,
Okay. Paano kung gusto
Very
mo na
sacred.
siya, tapos meron siyang one na nakipag-ano lang, yung first boyfriend niya, tapos hindi
So,
na naulit.
ano yung limit ng body count for you na accepted mo?
probably 5 and below, 4.
5 and below 4.
That's still a lot for
That's-
me. Oh my god.
Ay, grabe.
I think I know a person who double digit.
Ay, mamimit niya siguro siya.
Uy, gago! Hindi nyo mamimit yun. Hindi nyo mamimit yun, guys. Huwag sana kayong makamit na ganong tao. And if ever mamit nyo man, guys,
Baka ma-introduce namin siya someday.
if ever man, guys, just know that past is past. If the person is, pure na, it's okay. We made a lot of mistakes back then. It's just up to how you would, face the consequences. So, I think for me, para sa akin, ang pinaka-ano talaga, deal breaker for me is that, masinggero.
Oh.
I love drinking. I'm just 19. I love drinking. I love going to the pero the way I view it, if ever I'm gonna be in a relationship, ayoko nung super abuser sa mga alcoholic drinks kasi you would never really know what's going on with their mind if they're drunk. I've encountered a lot of people na masagolero talaga. And those are the type of people na abusive then at some point. Like physically abusive. No, there's nothing wrong in drinking much. It's just that in moderation. But I think for me, if I'm going on a date with someone, I would like it to be, super chill lang kami. If gusto namin paramihan ng tower, okay, game. Pero make sure that you're not, addict to it na everyday you're drinking. Kasi I feel like it's very hopeless. Also, people who have anger issue, I cannot deal with those
Balance.
with balance.
Deal breaker. Deal breaker ko, guys. Madami.
Give one.
Madami akong deal breaker. Pero yung pinaka-worst ko siguro na deal breaker, kapag baho.
Oh, okay.
Very much, kung medyo naamoy mo na hindi ako mabango, ganyan, or something ganyan, sabihin mo sa akin.
Hygienic siya.
Pag, pero pag iba, tapos makikipag-relationship ka sa akin, wag. Ayusin mo muna yung... ayusin mo muna yung ano.
Kasi guys, how you take care of yourself is how you take care of someone. So if you don't know how to take care of yourself, what more pa kaya, di ba? Sa iba.
Kaya, kapag babaho kayo, wag sa or like may putok ganyan. Please lang.
So,
Kayo,
akala ko ba you love me unconditionally?
Kakaiba yun, guys.
Ay! Guys, hindi
At saka,
ba
ano naman, pero so far na wala pa naman ako na-encounter na gano'n sa ano. Kasi kapag, I mean, wala pa naman akong friend na gano'n. Kasi kapag may na-encounter akong gano'n, hindi ko na
close?
i-close. Ayun.
Marami na kami nadadaanan ng mga taong gano'n.
So,
Siguro, be self-aware na lang din kasi I believe na you can smell it. You can smell it yourself. You can smell yourself, guys.
in denial lang sila.
Mura lang ang Baby Johnsons.
Oo din. Mura lang ang deodorant, guys. Mura lang din maligo. Oh my God. Mas lalo na nasa Medfield kami, guys. Hindi pwede ang maano sa Medfield.
Yeah, you should be neat. Always. And clean. Neat, clean. Parehas lang yun, guys. Sorry.
So, it's a big yes kapag ano, kahit yung hindi ka naligo, pero mabango ka, it's a big Grabe, kakaiba, guys.
So let's talk about nursing since you introduced it to them. So we are a nursing student, guys, who is currently still surviving. Charot, joke lang. Hindi naman siya nananakot, pero matakot ka. Hindi. What's fun about being a nursing student at the GN?
What's fun? What's fun is that, ano, we get to be crazy.
So magiging ano tayo, guys, hindi kami mag-sugarcoat. So this is our experience as a nursing student. So what's fun about that?
It's valid to be crazy. Kapag hindi ka crazy mag-aral, hindi ka crazy makipag-interact sa mga tao, nursing is not for you.
Ikaw, Simon, what's fun about nursing? Being a nursing student?
Nothing.
Yeah, actually, parang konti lang.
Ang hirap yung sugarcoat.
So, mind you guys, we're first year college of nursing. So this is our experience as a first year student.
In Mapua University.
Beep!
Ay, maririnig nila. Baka puntahan.
Yeah, I don't think fun about it, but probably if I take it, probably working with your friends.
Ayun.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to say then as well.
Ano, yun na yung magiging driving force mo mag-aral.
Yeah, actually
Kapag maganda
guys,
environment.
super, we've experienced with toxic environment, toxic people then as well. Pero the way for you to survive and to have fun being a nursing student is that, general to, not just mga school, but then you have to pick a right people, right circle for you. Because if you cannot, or if you fail to, it would be so hard. Like, it would be really hard
Yeah.
for you to survive it. And I've experienced that a lot. So parang, that's fun about it. You get to make crazy with your friend. What do you call this? Pag magbablush ka, ang ano, wait lang, let's search anatomy of, ano yun? Name. Magbablush ka sa gilid, ganun, tapos sabihin ng friend mo, super pink naman yung ano mo, yung
Very much kabog.
infra-orbital mo. Infra-orbital to, guys. Don't cheat. So it's fun if you choose the right circle. Aside from friends, siguro sabihin mo, independent ka. You'll find nursing fun if I want to experience mo yun eh. Experience namin to, so ayun naman sasabi namin. Pero nursing, be mentally prepared. Mentally and physically prepared. Lalo na if malayo ka sa school mo. Gosh, napaka-exhausting kasi you have to study. Self-study a lot. So, ma-burn out ka din mentally and physically. Emotionally as well. Lalo na if you give your all, tapos ito lang yung nagiging results. So, be prepared for that as well. It's normal to make mistakes in college. So, lahat ng mistakes na gagawin mo, pour it all out there sa school so that when you graduated, you will not make the same mistakes sa work field mo.
What's not normal in college?
Normal in college?
Yung may mistakes ka na, pero hindi nag-i-improve over time.
Yes.
That's not normal in college.
Okay, so mistakes is not just, sa results, or siguro if you had mistakes na tama ka na ng prof mo, and then you would still repeat and repeat and repeat. Guys, that is not about the school. That is not about how the professor will teach you. It's about you na.
Yeah.
So you have to at least adapt it then. Adaptability is a must din talaga sa college. You really need to adapt in a fast-paced environment then. Especially you're a nursing student.
Meron ka ng ganito. Meron ka ng ganito. Pero kahit gawin mo lang siya sa,
G-Drive ginawa,
G-
ay PDF ginawa.
oo, sa Word, ganyan. Pwede mo siyang gawin sa Word. Tapos send mo sa akin yung ganito.
Okay.
So si Sai guys, may pahabol siyang question for us. What is the question?
What's your biggest green flag in a person? So, of course, it's the person you like, right? When you see that, she shows.
The
you like
biggest green flag for me talaga is a person who is very, 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 very respectful. Very common siya, yes, pero not everyone can respect.
Not everyone, can apply.
Yes, not everyone can apply it to themselves. So some will say na, oh, I respect a lot of opinions. Pero when the situation scenario came in na, parang
Pero kahit
really
naman pwede
hard.
mo ilagay.
What I do mean by being respectful, guys, is that
Yan lang.
I've
Tapos,
experienced a lot
ganyan.
personally.
Tapos, insight mo,
Guys who
yung
is very... Tsaka na natin pag-usapan yun, pero yun, I'm very green flag sa akin, yung marunong mag-respected talaga.
ito yung ito yung magiging magandang insight. Actually, ang ginawa ko lang din siguro, answer this for me, tapos kinopy ko from individual activity ng rubrics. Tapos, give me ratings for each. Yun nga lang, there's a lot daw sa kanya. Anong kanya?
I don't know.
Green
Probably someone is able to give the same amount of care that you have. Yeah, that's
reciprocity. Reciprocity.
yeah.
Ayan.
To give you that sympathy, be genuine with you, to have that same care. And
That's a huge
promise bihira na yan. Bihira na din.
Bihira na promise.
Yeah, kasi si Sai, guys, kaya siya nag-ask ng ganun. Baka kasi i-bash niya siya na bakit ganito ko lalaki to? Hindi guys, kasi si Sai, very sacred siya. He is
Secret talaga.
He is sacred kasi gusto ko. Very sacred siya. Acne? Very sacred siya. He is never touched. And that is not something you should be embarrassed about. That is something that you should be proud about.
Kasi konti na lang yung mga tao.
Yes. Kilala niyo yung artist, yung babaeng nakasal. Sino yun yung artist na yun? Basta favorite artist ko siya, babae siya. And she still have it. And she gave it to her husband nung nagpakasal na sila. And that's actually,
Yeah, date until marriage, right?
until marriage. And that is what is written
Kabihira
for them.
talaga.
Kasi,
Super.
oo, lalo na mga kabataan, guys, Diyos ko.
Ano ka na lang, may mga 14 years old na wala ng Grabe mo.
Where I came from,
Oo.
in my village, just like me, like this person, they care about the state of the marriage.
Okay. So
Is it on or in? On, di ba? Kasi vlog
in.
in.
Vlogging in progress.
Here's also another question, I think. A woman, right? You think a woman, syempre, she's not a virgin, right?
Yeah.
Does that woman want a guy that has experience or no experience? Do you think that she wants experience?
Siguro magsasagot nun siya. Cause siya.
I go with guys.
I don't really go well with so I don't really care.
Okay, so based on my opinion of that question, some women kasi wants it when guys have experience. Why? It's because of, when we say experience, someone who is very good in performing in bed. So people really want that. Kasi gusto nila yung nasasatisfy sila. Kasi there's a lot of, woman, girlfriends who are, doing that with their partner. Pero at some point, yung partner lang nila yung nasasatisfy, not them. Naming woman na ganon. And some people naman, some women, some girls, some ladies, want a decent man. limited. Body count, limited, Doing that with love, guys, when you do that, do it with love. Trust me, dun kayo mas lalong masasatisfy
Oh.
pag may love. Kasi the more you think about it as just that, hindi talaga, may kulang talaga na parang hindi pa ako tapos, pero tapos ka na. Yung parang ganun. Pero when you do it with love,
You'll think of the other part.
super sarap sa pakiramdam. Ayan. So, there are two types of people then talaga who prefer and who do not prefer it.
For me.
Pero it's kinda cute kaya guys when you guys are doing it tapos ang clumsy ng part.
Oo.
Ang clumsy yung,
Pero
you're wrong.
ang magandang doon, they're open for for suggestions. Guys, pag open for suggestions,
On
mas
spot.
maganda.
Pero nakakahiya siya, pero masaya siya.
Oo, masaya siya.
So if a guy has like a lot of tricks, ganun. Hey, bro. I guess I gotta do research now, no?
Pero not all naman. You just have to
I saw a
inform.
lot of TikTok videos wherein they, make jokes about being a clumsy kisser.
Oo.
One of the weirdest thing I did when I was a kid is that I was so curious about when I was young, not a kid guys, when I was young, probably my younger teens, I was so curious on how do you really kiss someone? Kasi that's, how do you do that? Yeah, diba? How do you do that? So, my curiosity, sabi nila mag-practice ka daw sa lollipop. Si Kendall Jenner, pinactice niya sa salamin.
Oh my days.
So, you just kind of find it cute. A little curiosity. So, dito po magtatapos ang aming Get to Know Us vlog and our first vlog this 2026. Yun lang, outro lang. Also, may pahabol tayo, guys. Let's introduce her. Ma'am, what's your name?
Hi guys, my name is...
Hello, so
Wait lang. Hi guys. Hi guys, my name is Sheila guys. And what I do in life is be a good person.
may question kami kanina, pero isa lang itatanong ko sa'yo.
Okay.
Describe your first kiss.
First kiss.
Describe it. Dapat may isip ka na nun.
I don't know how to describe it, pero it was an accident actually. There was this, kasi, nanonood ako siya. Nag-re-renounce ako. Ilabas niya yung picture niya dyan. So, ayun. Accident lang yun kasi he was courting me pa that time. Then, syempre, as a guide then, biglang nangihingi ng ganon. Pero sinabi ko, okay, sa chicks lang. Girl, alam niyo naman yung mga ganyang ganap, di ba? Kasi na talaga yun. Like, madalas na nangyayari yun. Okay, kinig siya. Okay, so,
Sa lips ko,
kasi,
sa lips.
oo nga, kasi nga, pauwi na ako noon. Tapos, his dad, hinatid niya ako that time. Then, ayun, nangingi siya ng kiss. Kasi yung papa niya mismo nagsabi na, wala man lang kiss dyan. Sabi ko,
Supportive si daddy.
Daddy, wait lang. Di ba ako ready dyan? Tapos, ayan, sabi ko sa chicks lang. Tapos biglang, ayun, napunta sa gano'n. Tapos magical na parang, gusto ko bumalik sa part na yun. Joke lang, uy. Bye guys, yun lang. Thank you.